Listen up, you donkey. We're talking McDonald's fries, a global phenomenon. It all starts with the right potato: Russet Burbank, Ranger Russet, and Shepherdie. They have the perfect balance of starch and sugar for that fluffy inside and crispy exterior. These potatoes are grown in dedicated fields, carefully monitored for quality. GPS technology ensures consistency, delivering the same fries every time. Inspected, tested, and tasted, only the best make the cut. The rest are rejected. It's a tough selection process. Each potato must meet strict standards for size, shape, and sugar content. It's all about delivering a quality product. The chosen potatoes, now on their way to Frydom, are carefully harvested and transported. We're talking massive operations here, with specialized equipment to handle these spuds with care. Bruised or damaged potatoes won't do. They affect the flavor and texture. Trucks, equipped with climate control, transport these precious potatoes to processing plants. These aren't your average trucks, mind you. They're designed to prevent bruising and maintain freshness. Temperature and humidity are constantly monitored. It's like a mobile spa for potatoes. Once at the plant, the real magic begins. These potatoes are sorted, graded, and inspected again. Only the best of the best make it to the next stage. It's all about quality control, ensuring every single fry meets our high standards. The journey from farm to fryer is a carefully orchestrated process, a testament to our commitment to quality. Every step is crucial, ensuring that only the finest potatoes make it to your plate. Now let's talk about hygiene. These potatoes might have come straight from the ground, but we're not serving dirt. They go through a rigorous cleaning process, multiple stages of washing and rinsing. Think of it as a spa day for potatoes, removing any dirt, debris, or impurities. High-pressure water jets blast away any remaining dirt, ensuring a thorough cleanse. We're talking sparkling clean potatoes here, ready for the next stage of their transformation. Hygiene is paramount. We don't compromise on food safety. After the cleaning, it's peeling time. Now, we could do this by hand, but that's inefficient and time-consuming. Instead, we use high-speed abrasive peelers, removing the skin while minimizing waste. These machines are a marvel of engineering, ensuring consistent peeling and minimal potato loss. The peeled potatoes are then inspected again, removing any blemishes or imperfections. It's all about precision, about delivering a consistent product every time. Section 4. From potato to perfect fry, the transformation. Now comes the fun part, cutting these potatoes into those iconic fries. We're talking state-of-the-art cutting machines, engineered for precision and speed. These machines slice through the potatoes with ease, creating perfectly uniform fries. Adjustable machines allow for different fry sizes and shapes. Want crinkle-cut fries? No problem. Ensuring consistency in every batch, precision sets us apart. It's about minimizing waste, designed to utilize as much of the potato as possible. We're about sustainability too. Freshly cut fries are then blanched to remove excess starch. This step is crucial for that fluffy interior. It's all about understanding how heat affects the potato's structure. Section 5. The science of crisp, creating the golden standard. Blanching is just the beginning. To achieve that signature McDonald's crisp, the fries go through a special pre-frying process. This removes excess moisture, creating a crispy exterior. After pre-frying, the fries are flash frozen, locking in freshness. This ensures consistent quality regardless of when or where they are cooked. Now let's talk about the final fry. McDonald's restaurants use special fryers, calibrated for perfect results. These fryers maintain a consistent temperature, ensuring perfection. The fries are cooked in vegetable oil, chosen for its neutral flavor. It's a carefully selected blend, perfect for that golden brown color and crispy texture. Section 6. From farm to fryer, a symphony of flavors. And there you have it, the journey of a McDonald's fry from farm to fryer. It's a testament to our commitment to quality, consistency, and taste. Every step, from selecting the right potato to the final fry, is carefully orchestrated to deliver a superior product. We've combined science, technology, and good old-fashioned hard work to create a global phenomenon. These fries are more than just a side dish, they're an icon, a symbol of McDonald's unwavering commitment to quality. So next time you bite into a McDonald's fry, remember the journey it took to get there. Appreciate the dedication, the precision, and the passion that goes into every single fry. It's a symphony of flavors, a testament to the power of good food. Now go on, enjoy your fries, you've earned it.